Asian black pepper mother sauce recipe. Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. And the ingredients are 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, a half tablespoon of ginger, a tablespoon of garlic, 1 small yellow onion chopped, some soy sauce. You're gonna need about a 1/4 cup of that. We're gonna need some extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon. We're gonna need some Worcestershire. We're gonna need some ketchup, and we are also going to use some mijiao, or cooking wine. A mother sauce is a sauce that can be used in many different dishes. In Asia, I like to think of Asian black pepper sauce as one of those mother sauces. They work great over chicken, seafood, thinly sliced pork. We use it a lot in Asia on teppanyaki grills, also known as tiapansao. And you're really going to enjoy this. It's got a wonderful flavor, and I'm really looking forward to helping you know how to make it. First thing we are going to do is take some extra virgin olive oil and add it to our preheated pan. Get that olive oil spread around the bottom of our pan nicely. And I want to make sure that that's nicely heated. Then we're going to add our half tablespoon of ginger along with our tablespoon of garlic. Oh, look at that. We're going to move that around until it becomes nice and fragrant, just a little bit before it starts turning brown. Oh, the smell is just amazing. Look at these chopped up onions. We're going to add that to the mix. And we're going to keep this going until the onions become slightly translucent. Always making sure to keep everything moving so nothing gets burnt. We have this at about a medium-high heat. And I like to just make sure to separate all those onions. Make sure that nobody's going to get a big, giant piece when they bite into our sauce. It's been about 1.5 minutes here. The onions have become nice and translucent, as you can see. And now we're going to add our cooking wine, or mijiao, to the pan. Get that nice and steaming. Beautiful. We're going to take about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce here, maybe just a little bit more. Add that to the mix and get it nice and heated up. And we're going to take 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Just add that right in there. Add just a couple drizzles of Worcestershire sauce, maybe a half teaspoon to a max teaspoon. We're going to keep simmering that up, and as we do that, we're going to add just a little bit of water, maybe a 1/4 cup there. Now we've got our wonderful freshly ground black pepper and our sugar that seems to want to stick to the bottom of my little serving cup here. Get out there. All right, get it nice and get in that sauce there. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep this simmering until it thickens up nice. And I'll show you what that's going to look like in just 1 second. Make sure to keep everything moving around. You don't want anything to burn. Oh, I love this part. This is where all of those seasonings are starting to meld together with the soy sauce. It's starting to thicken up. You can see on the back of a spoon. Give it a nice little taste to check seasoning. And oh, this is so good. I'm gonna make some chicken with this in the future. It's gonna be amazing. Stir-fried chicken. Make sure to check out that recipe when I send it out. It'll be right after this one. And you are going to absolutely love it. It's one of the recipes that I used to always get when I went to the tiapansao restaurant in Taiwan. Definitely check it out. All right, we're almost done here. As you can see, everything is nice and bubbly, beautifully thick. This sauce is almost done. And this is the consistency we are looking for. Beautifully silky, smooth, dark and luscious. Every bite's going to have a little bit of that morsel of the ginger, the onion, the garlic, the pepper. Oh, I wish I could just let you know how really amazing this sauce is, guys. You definitely have to give it a shot. And here you have it. Beautiful, luscious, and delicious. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. For each and every one of you who have been sharing our recipes on your social media, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's obviously making a difference on our channel and we really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It lets you get a notification every time we have a new video come out. It's absolutely free and it helps our channel a lot.